comes the tram.
You guys ready to go?
Yes. Yeah. It's getting really fast. It's speeding up. I like it when it gets a bit wobbly and shaky. We're racing a car.
Hello there. How many adults, how many children, please?
2 kids and then 1 adult, please.
The conductor gives us tickets.
Keep hold of these for coming back. Thank you.
We like waving to people through the window. Sometimes they wave back.